Understanding Starch Synthesis, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, starch synthesis. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about science and language, you'll find this explanation helpful. So let's dive in. Starch synthesis is made up of two words, starch and synthesis. First, let's understand these words individually. Starch. Starch is a type of carbohydrate. It's found in many foods we eat, like potatoes, rice, and corn. It's important for providing energy. Synthesis. Synthesis refers to the process of combining different elements to create something new. In chemistry and biology, it often involves creating complex molecules from simpler ones. Now, putting these words together, starch synthesis refers to the biological process where plants create starch. Starch synthesis is a fascinating process that happens in plants. Here's a simplified explanation. 1. Photosynthesis. It all starts with photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight to turn water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a simple sugar. 2. Conversion to starch. The plant then takes this glucose and converts it into starch. This process happens in the plant's cells. 3. Storage. The starch is stored in the plant, often in roots, seeds, or fruits. It's used as an energy source for the plant and, eventually, for the animals and humans that eat these plant parts. Understanding this process helps us appreciate how plants provide energy to the world. So, why is starch synthesis an important concept? 1. Energy source. Starch is a major source of energy in our diet. Understanding its origin helps us appreciate the role of plants in our food chain. 2. Scientific knowledge. For students and professionals in fields like biology, nutrition, and environmental science, understanding starch synthesis is crucial. 3. Language learning. For English learners, this phrase is a great example of how English combines words to describe complex processes. I hope this explanation of starch synthesis has been enlightening. It's a great example of how English can describe complex scientific processes in a straightforward way. Remember, understanding such terms not only expands your vocabulary but also your knowledge of the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.